Vipi watu wangu bwana, welcome back to Omar's channel. Karibuni sana. Kwa tunasema tunataka kuwapatia content na hiyo content lazima i make sense. Huu ni mnyama mwingine mbaya anaitwa Ford Zephyr. This is a Ford Zephyr 6. This is an MK1 Ford Zephyr. So when you see England, unajua huyu jamaa ametoka wapi? Ametoka England. So this is 6 Ford Zephyr 6. So Zephyr. So it's so amazing that client ameniletea gari na you know I have a Ford Zephyr 3 6 ile refu kubwa ile iko na fish fin tail, na sasa I had another one which I sold to my customer which is a Ford Zephyr MK2. Now this is an MK1, very beautiful, amazing car. As you can see, gari ndio hiyo. It came in looking so you know, outdated na everything, but we are going to make it look something really amazing. This is going to be something to be admired. It's going to have new floors, it's going to have new seats, it's going to have new everything. Yani hii gari tuko naiona kwa barabara unasema yes sir. So itakuwa kitu mrembo sana. As you can see, I just love the beauty of this beautiful roofline ya zamani. Unaona hiyo beautiful roofline ya zamani, it's just something really, you know, the people who are making cars zamani walikuwa na test, not like the new cars ma Mitsubishi na kina Elantra na hizo nini. I mean those cars don't make sense. Hizi gari za zamani, even if you can look, gari yenyewe tayari imetengenezwa. This is already a low rider here. As you can see, ini low rider already, it's sitting low, you know, like gari inakatuya ni imesit low. So beautiful guys. You can look at the I mean like unaona kama gari venye nakati, hata unaweza ona gari iko na character. It's got a beautiful chrome lining hapo mbele, you know, the front face ile inakaa kitu sura mzuri. And then look at this guys. When I tell you guys gari za zamani kwa zatengenezwa na teknolojia ya ndege, this is what I meant. Unaona, this is a plane hapo imekuwa hapo. It's a whole plane imekuwa kwa gari. So you can see the lines, hiyo chrome imeenda mpaka kule mwisho. Unaona? Yeah, then the beautiful plane imekuja pale. You know, the engraved number plates. Oh my god. The black engraved number plates really make it look so amazing. Naweza ona hii gari, it's so much beautiful guys. I mean, look at the old cars guys. Yani ziko na character guys. I want to show you how the front looks like. Front is just amazing. Hiyo gari unaona, like it's a small car but wameka a very big engine. This is straight 6. This is same engine which comes with all the Ford Zephyrs. So it's got a very good powerful engine. Amazing. At the same time, gari iko na, you know, like it's got character. That nice beautiful air cleaner ndio hiyo. Pale mbele ukifungua pale ati ukivuta ile ndio inaleta sasa heat kwa gari. So you see those cables? Those cables, if you pull those cables pale na pale, ile ndio ilikuwa heat ya zamani. Now guys, look at where the horns zimewekwa guys. Tell me, where do you find such act? Yani hii ni art. It's just a beautiful thing to look at. This car, I'm going to give you from the moment I start it to the moment I build it, how I'm going to build it. Everything is really amazing on this car. As you can see pale kuna badges za Ford made in England, serial number ya gari. Unaona? This is where the indicator should be, the chrome should be shining, you know, and then we've got some emblems hapa. Unaona, Royal East African Automobile Association. This is was going on that Royal East African Automobile Association. So hizo vitu za zamani zote zimekuwa engraved pale. So when you used to get a trophy, this is how a trophy used to look like. Kitu ingine, if you want to know everything is original on this car, baka taa yenyewe ni ile Lucas. This is what it came with from England. So the person who was driving this car, this guy was a very good, careful driver. Hii gari haina ta accident moja hivi. One accident on it haina. Okay, maybe the guy aligusa hapa kidogo, dazaona hapa kuna nani ime whatever bumper tu, yani maybe someone was reversing or maybe something like that, but there's no real accident. Unaona ati gari imeumia. This is just a small piece hapa. So guys, this is how it looks like. Hii ndio brake master cylinder na clutch cylinder. Clutch cylinder and brake master cylinder, they all share from one kifuniko. So ukiweka hapa it shares for two. So ukiweka hapa brake fluid, it will share for this one and for this one. So your gari, man, it has character, man. Now when they build these cars, they were really building something which is simple and amazing. So simple and amazing. It was meant to be amazing. So hapo tuta replace kifuniko ingine mzuri. Gari itakuwa ni mpya. I will refresh this engine. I'll remove this whole engine, clean it, paint it, give it a facelift, make it look something beautiful from another era, from the 1950s, guys. So your gari ndio hiyo, and you can see. So now those side mirrors when ziko na character, look at how they look like. So this car was really something out of the whatever. Sasa zamani ukipata joto, what do you do? This is called the pilot mirror, guys. Pilot mirror ndio hiyo, pilot mirror. So when you're driving, ukisikia joto, you don't hit the AC, you go and open the what? Pilot mirror, guys. So ukiwa ndani, this is the steering, as you can see. Now this is the indicator. Unaona hii? When you put this on the left, it indicates left. If you put this on the right, it indicates right. Unaona? This one is a knob. Low and high. High beam, low beam. High beam, low beam. And then now guess where the horn is. This is the horn. No, sorry, actually this is the starter. So unafinya. So after owning the car, what do? You press that one and you on it. So this is the vent. Utaka kuchoke gari. This is what you choke the car with. Naona. This is the handbrake, guys. So ukitaka kufuta handbrake, you'd actually pull it. Yeah, imekwama hiyo. And then now wacha niwaambie ile pale ni nini, that knob. That knob was meant to represent, hiyo ilikuwa ina represent high beam na low beam. So when you want to press on the low beam, that's what you press on. High beam ni pale. Naona, guys? And then there's another kabaton hapa hivi. We'll find out when you do the wiring. This kabaton ni nini? You know, this is a car which you just don't enter, unaanza kuichokora ukisukuma. This is a car you have to study. You have to ask yourself questions. Hiyo gari likujaje? Look at everything. Everything looks so cute. Unaona? Look at this, man. Everything ni marble. You can see this is a fine marble from back in the day. Unaivuta hivyo. You can see the body lines, handles wenye na vizuri. This how to open the doors. You know, this is something very beautiful, guys. So hii gari ilikuwa inaenda kilomita ngapi? How many kilometers was it going, guys? So unaweza angalia, ukitaka kupiga honi, hiyo ndio honi. Beep. Naona? It looks like a ring which is on the Galaxy. Naona? Sasa pale kuna gauge ya empty na full. Hapa kuna battery inaonyesha percent, na this is a speedometer hapa ndani. So this one used to go at 90 miles per hour. Yani this is miles per whatever. So hii kitu si ati ni kilometer per hour, ni miles. 90 maybe hiyo 90 unaweza assume that is 120 or 140 kilometers per whatever, yeah, kilometers. So you can see the car is a very beautiful master piece that is going to be restored. Chrome lining zake zote to restore. We don't want to lose any of this because, guys, you can't get these ones. Hizi zikienda zimeenda. So my biggest worry is how do I remove this glass? Hii glass ndio kitoka hapo itakuwa wimbo. So sometimes you might find that you go to a company and tell them wewe unachukua risk mwenyewe. If you change this rubber, you have to take the guarantee of e-glass. Or if you can't get the original glass, what do you have to do? You have to keep the original and look for another way to do it. So we'll see when we get to that level. I'm very proud of this project. It's very beautiful. It's close to my heart, and I'm going to make this car one of the best cars in Onekana, not only in Kenya but in East Africa, guys. We collect the best cars. This is our own collection hapa. Omar Classic Garage, and my number ni gani? 0700088088. Guys, does it get any easier than that number? Unanipigia tu, unaniambia mimi niko na project fulani, I'm selling my car. Usikate gari yako kwa scrap, tafadhali call me before you scrap it. Uende kutengeneza sufuria guys. I will buy it and we will build it. Or if you are planning to build your car na hujui mali ya kubuild, look no further. Hapa ni nyumbani guys. So welcome to Omar's Garage. Karibuni sana na please hit me up, like, comment na tuonaneni tena on your next video tomorrow guys.